Hello, everyone. Welcome to Carnegie Mellon Forum on Biomedical Engineering. As you all know, this year the event is going to be held virtually, and we're going to use the HOVA app for our poster presentations. So in this short presentation, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use the HOVA app, how to prepare your video presentations, and how to basically interact virtually. As you know, the meeting is going to be held on September 18th and 19th, and you can see the webpage address here. So without any further ado, I will start giving you some information about the meeting. Specifically, I want to emphasize that we encourage all of you to participate in our poster award sessions by preparing good video presentations. And I'm going to, in a little while, explain to you what are the formats we expect for your presentations and how to upload those information for us. So the first thing to take into consideration is that we are going to be using the HOVA app. So the HOVA app, as you can see here, the desktop version of the app is very easy. Once you download the app, you can basically go to the agenda section to see what different programs are being held when. And then say if you're interested in attending a poster session, say the cellular and tissue engineering session, you can just view the session to see what kind of posters are being presented and who are presenting these posters. Say if you want to look at Charlie's presentation, you can click on that. And as you can see here, Charlie has already prepared this video. So by clicking on the play button, you can basically watch the video and presentation that Charlie has already prepared. And I'm going to explain this later. You're going to have to do the same thing. So if you want to interact with Charlie, ask him some questions or give him some comments, you can do that using the Q&A session on the right or the chat tools that are available to you in this app. As you can see, using the app is quite easy and quite intuitive. And in a little while, I'm going to explain to you how to prepare your videos and how to upload them so that we can upload them for you on the HOVA app. Later on, if you are interested and you want to interact with the speaker, you can basically look at their profile or send them directly a message. So basically, we encourage you all to come to the HOVA app during the poster presentation sessions to interact with each other and with the poster presenters. And it's also important to remember that everyone, the attendees, the judges, everyone will be coming to the poster sessions. So people who are participating specifically in the award or anyone who's presenting a poster should be there to interact with each other, with the judges and everyone. If you use the mobile version of the app, that is very similar to the desktop version. You can see the agenda. You can, again, look at different poster sessions, and you can just enter these poster sessions. You just go to virtually to a poster that you are interested in, watch the video, and all of the other capabilities such as performing Q&A or having a chat with the presenter or other participants are all available on the mobile version as well. So these again, are very similar to the desktop version of the app and are quite intuitive. So I will explain in a little bit how to basically upload your information. And what are the requirements for this video presentation that we need to prepare. So we want to ask you guys to cooperate with us so that your video presentations do not exceed 5 minutes in length and 25 megabytes in size. And we would also like to ask you to present your video presentations in a manner which I am actually preparing this presentation, meaning we would like you to present your slides, your information, and also, if possible, record yourself so that we can see your face or yourself while you are presenting. And I'm going to explain a little bit how you can do this just using one application, which is Zoom. In order to use Zoom, your institution does not need to have a contract with Zoom so that you have like an institutional login. You can basically just create a free account on Zoom and use that to create these videos. There are other applications you can use. I think like in the later versions of PowerPoint, you can capture your slides, or I know Mac computer and Windows computers have these capabilities, but I'm just going to explain how you can use Zoom to do this. And Zoom is pretty easy to use, as you will see. And I just want to emphasize that the video presentations that you prepare, which will be uploaded to HOVA ultimately, cannot be downloaded and are just view only. Of course, the attendees of the conference can come to your poster session virtually and basically watch your videos, but they cannot be downloaded. Before I go into explaining how to upload your information and create these videos, I just want to mention that it would be great if you spend a lot of time or enough time to make these presentations carefully, because the judges will look at these presentations if you are interested in participating in the poster awards, which we of course encourage all of you to do that. It would be very important to make these videos carefully. So just a quick update on how your information is going to be collected once you submit your abstracts, and these abstracts are reviewed. You will get an acceptance notice and a link in an email, which will bring you to a Google form where you can basically enter the poster number. This is important, the poster number that you are given in the email, which is assigned to your poster, then your name and email. And then you can upload the PDF file. And this is very important if you are specifically attending or want to participate in the poster awards. This is a PowerPoint slides, 3 PowerPoint slides, which as has been explained here, has to be prepared carefully, not exceeding 2 megabytes in size, please. And also the video that I will explain to you how to create, and I was talking to you about, will also be uploaded here, which we will later on upload to your HOVA account. So this is quite easy. It's a simple Google form, which once you enter all your information, you will click submit. But let me just tell you a little bit about how to make this Zoom application. I'm sorry, how to use the Zoom application to create these videos. So if you don't have Zoom on your computer, you can just go to zoom.us and download the application. And then you can use any email, your own personal email, to basically register yourself on Zoom, which will allow you to create a free account. Using this free account, actually, you will be able to create these videos. So once you have these things set up, you basically need to run the Zoom application on your computer. As you can see, this is a Mac computer, and I have opened Zoom using the Launchpad. Once you open Zoom, you start a new meeting. And of course, this is going to be a little lonely because you will be the only attendee in the meeting. But once you have that set up, you will share your screen, assuming your presentation is ready already. Once you share your screen, you will be able to open your presentation. And please be sure to go into like full size, so into the presentation mode. Make sure to move that video box so that it's not covering the contents of your slides. And once you're ready, start recording your session on Zoom. Of course, once you start that, the video and the audio will be recorded, and you just present as you go on. Make sure to change that video box if you go from slide to slide, so that the fantastic contents of your slides are not covered by the video box. And once you are finished recording, you can stop sharing the screen. And of course, don't forget to stop the recording. If you're satisfied with the quality of your presentation, all you need to do is just to leave the meeting. Don't worry, the meeting will be saved. Zoom will automatically start converting the information, and it will automatically save everything onto your computer disk. As you can see here, this has been saved. It's already in an MP4 format, which we prefer for the videos you're going to present. And as you can see, this is the video I just created for this presentation. Of course, you can use a .mov format for your videos too, but as I said, we would highly appreciate if you would just use .mp4 or .mov formats for the videos you're going to upload. So as you can see, using Zoom to create this video presentation is quite easy and intuitive. So with that, I would like to finish my presentation here. We are looking forward to your fantastic presentations, and we would hope to see you all in September. Of course, we will be meeting you virtually, but we are looking forward to seeing you all. Thank you very much.